Welcome to a world where innovation meets the power of technology. In the midst of an emergency, a groundbreaking senior project takes flight, utilizing advanced tools to ensure the safety of those in need. In a critical situation, a high-rise building becomes the focus of attention amidst challenging circumstances. Our advanced drone, equipped with cutting-edge technology, rushes to the location, working alongside dedicated firefighters. Ascending through the dense smoke, the drone maneuvers towards the upper floors of the building, where trapped individuals are awaiting rescue. Its objective is to reach inaccessible areas and provide vital support. Inside the building, the drone's sophisticated sensors come into action. The RP LiDAR accurately measures the dimensions of the room, while the thermal camera allows the drone to identify any humans, including trapped individuals, within the room. Additionally, the drone establishes a crucial line of communication, allowing the trapped individuals to interact with the firefighters. In moments of urgency, the drone releases an oxygen inhaler from its secure box, delivering a vital source of breathable air to the trapped individual, sustaining them until further assistance arrives. Empowered by advanced technology, the drone's data guides the firefighters with accuracy. They swiftly respond, following the drone's guidance, to free those in need and bring them to safety. We save lives and inspire hope for a better future, paving the way towards a safer tomorrow.